반가워요. 영어, 나도 한마디 채널입니다. 나도 한마디 할 수 있어요. 지금 시작하시면 됩니다. Let's go.
시작합시다.
Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started.
재료가 먼저 필요합니다.
We need ingredients first. We need ingredients first. We need ingredients first.
난로를 켜세요.
Turn on the stove. Turn on the stove. Turn on the stove.
팬이나 냄비를 가져오세요.
Get a pan or pot. Get a pan or pot. Get a pan or pot.
기름 좀 데워요.
Heat up some oil. Heat up some oil. Heat up some oil.
채소 다져요.
Chop the vegetables. Chop the vegetables. Chop the vegetables.
팬에 야채를 넣습니다.
Add vegetables to the pan. Add vegetables to the pan. Add vegetables to the pan.
소금을 뿌립니다.
Sprinkle with salt. Sprinkle with salt. Sprinkle with salt.
모든 것을 함께 저으세요.
Stir everything together. Stir everything together. Stir everything together.
잠시 익게 두십시오.
Let it cook for a while. Let it cook for a while. Let it cook for a while.
자, 계란을 깨세요.
Now, crack the eggs. Now, crack the eggs. Now, crack the eggs.
그릇에 담긴 달걀을 깨트려라.
Beat the eggs in a bowl. Beat the eggs in a bowl. Beat the eggs in a bowl.
팬에 계란을 붓습니다.
Pour eggs into the pan. Pour eggs into the pan. Pour eggs into the pan.
달걀을 살살 긁어주세요.
Scramble the eggs gently. Scramble the eggs gently. Scramble the eggs gently.
익을 때까지 계속 저으세요.
Keep stirring until cooked. Keep stirring until cooked. Keep stirring until cooked.
조미료를 넣을 시간입니다.
Time to add some seasoning. Time to add some seasoning. Time to add some seasoning.
후추라도 좀.
Maybe some pepper? Maybe some pepper? Maybe some pepper?
아니면 약초라도?
Or some herbs? Or some herbs? Or some herbs?
맛을 한번 보자.
Taste it. Taste it. Taste it.
필요하면 양념을 조절합니다.
Adjust seasoning if needed. Adjust seasoning if needed. Adjust seasoning if needed.
접시를 준비하세요.
Prepare the plates. Prepare the plates. Prepare the plates.
음식을 대접하세요.
Serve the food. Serve the food. Serve the food.
고명을 잊지 마세요.
Don't forget the garnish. Don't forget the garnish. Don't forget the garnish.
맛있게 드세요.
Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal.
맛있었어요.
That was delicious. That was delicious. That was delicious.
자, 청소합시다.
Now, let's clean up. Now, let's clean up. Now, let's clean up.
설거지해요.
Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes.
수건으로 말립니다.
Dry them with a towel. Dry them with a towel. Dry them with a towel.
그들을 치워라.
Put them away. Put them away. Put them away.
카운터를 닦으세요.
Wipe the counters. Wipe the counters. Wipe the counters.
바닥을 쓸어요.
Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor.
잔반은 버려라.
Throw away the scraps. Throw away the scraps. Throw away the scraps.
쓰레기 좀 치워요.
Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Take out the trash.
주방이 또 깔끔하네요.
Kitchen as tidy again. Kitchen as tidy again. Kitchen as tidy again.
저와 함께 요리해 주셔서 감사합니다.
Thanks for cooking with me. Thanks for cooking with me. Thanks for cooking with me.
다음엔 뭘 만들까요?
What should we make next time? What should we make next time? What should we make next time?
함께 요리하면서 즐거웠습니다.
I had fun cooking together. I had fun cooking together. I had fun cooking together.
조만간 또 이렇게 해요.
Let's do this again soon. Let's do this again soon. Let's do this again soon.
같이 요리해서 다행입니다.
I'm glad we cooked together. I'm glad we cooked together. I'm glad we cooked together.
유대감을 형성할 수 있는 좋은 방법입니다.
It's a great way to bond. It's a great way to bond. It's a great way to bond.
요리는 정말 재미있습니다.
Cooking is so much fun. Cooking is so much fun. Cooking is so much fun.
저는 새로운 요리법을 시도하는 것을 좋아합니다.
I love trying new recipes. I love trying new recipes. I love trying new recipes.
우리는 훌륭한 팀을 만듭니다.
We make a great team. We make a great team. We make a great team.
함께 요리하는 것이 최고입니다.
Cooking together is the best. Cooking together is the best. Cooking together is the best.
우리는 요리를 더 자주 해야 합니다.
We should cook more often. We should cook more often. We should cook more often.
나는 이것을 점점 더 잘하고 있습니다.
I'm getting better at this. I'm getting better at this. I'm getting better at this.
요리는 모험과 같습니다.
Cooking is like an adventure. Cooking is like an adventure. Cooking is like an adventure.
우리는 맛을 실험할 수 있습니다.
We can experiment with flavors. We can experiment with flavors. We can experiment with flavors.
나는 우리의 요리 실력이 자랑스럽습니다.
I'm proud of our cooking skills. I'm proud of our cooking skills. I'm proud of our cooking skills.
놀라운 요리를 해봅시다.
Let's cook up something amazing. Let's cook up something amazing. Let's cook up something amazing.